Hi everyone, in this video I'll demonstrate how I use SPSS to analyze inflation and unemployment rate data in Malaysia from 1993 to 2022. I'll show how to generate the descriptive statistics, conduct a Shapiro-Wilk test of normality and a one-sample t-test to compare the average of inflation and unemployment against the national benchmarks. First, let's view the descriptive statistics for both inflation and unemployment rate. Click Analyze over Descriptive Statistics, then click Descriptive. Select inflation and unemployment rate, move them into the right box. Then click Options, tick Mean, Standard Deviation, Mean and Max, then click Continue. Click OK. The result table will appear. Then for median and mode, click Analyze. Again over Descriptive Statistics, click Frequencies. Select inflation and unemployment rate, move them into the right box. Then click Statistics and choose median and mode, then click Continue. Then click OK. The mean inflation rate is 2.43%. with a standard deviation of 1.3911. The average unemployment rate is 3.39% with a standard deviation of 0.4629. It also shows the value of median and mode for both inflation and unemployment rate. Before running the t-test, I must ensure the data follows a normal distribution. I'll do that by performing the Shapiro-Wilk test. First, click Analyze, then click Descriptive Statistics, click Explore. Move inflation and unemployment rate into the dependent list. Click Plots. Under Descriptive, tick Normality Plots with Test. Click Continue, then OK. The Shapiro-Wilk test shows inflation rate is normally distributed with a p-value of 0.661, while the unemployment rate is not normally distributed with a p-value of 0.035. This means we can use the one-sample t-test for inflation, but for unemployment, result must be interpreted with caution due to the violation of normality. Now, I'll perform a one-sample t-test. This test checks if the mean of a sample is significantly different from a benchmark value. I'll use 3.5 as the test value for inflation and 3.2 for unemployment. Analyze, click Compare Means and Proportions, then click One Sample t-test. Select inflation, move it into the test variable box, then set test value to 3.5, click OK. Sample t-test was conducted to determine whether the mean inflation rate significantly differs from 3.5%. This result was statistically significant. T is equals to negative 4.213, P lower than 0.001, which provides a strong evidence to reject the null hypothesis. This 95% confidence interval for the mean difference is negative 1.589 and negative 0.551, which does not include 0. This confirms that the actual mean inflation rate is significantly lower than 3.5%. Then, for unemployment, repeat the same thing. Click Analyze, compare means and proportions, then click One Sample t-test. Select unemployment rate. Set test value to 3.2, then click OK. Sample t-test was also conducted to assess whether the mean unemployment rate significantly differs from 3.2%. The result was statistically significant. T is equals to 2.209 and P is equals to 0.035. So we reject the null hypothesis. The 95% confidence interval for the mean difference is 0.014 and 0.360, which does not include 0. This indicates that the mean unemployment rate is significantly higher than 3.2%. To summarize, both inflation and unemployment rates are statistically different from the benchmarks. Inflation is significantly lower than 3.5%, while unemployment is significantly higher than 3.2%. These findings support my assignment objective, which is to assess whether the average inflation and unemployment rate in Malaysia from 1993 to 2022 significantly deviate from national economic benchmarks. Thank you for watching.